Hello everybody, let's talk about the best settings for your Samsung Odyssey G5. Now, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube and there's a lot of information on the internet, but in my experience, this has been the best overall guide. And I'm just going to run you through the basic settings that you need to have, and believe me, this will change your gaming experience. So let's just get started. This person has very well summarized everything. They have had experience, they've gone through YouTube tutorials, and this is what they've come up with. I trust this source very much. I've tried it myself. It works very well. So let's jump right into it. First, what you're going to want to do is in your OSD game settings, you're going to make sure your refresh rate is 144. Duh, because you want the higher the refresh rate, the more buttery smooth the gameplay. You're going to set the black equalizer at 13. Now this can vary between 14 to 16, but 13 is a safe value. Next, you can turn FreeSync on. If you're using a PS5, you can turn it on, but it completely depends upon your choice. Response time, of course, this person has recommended that faster should be off, and enhanced ghosting faster will minimize the ghosting by a large amount. Fastest adds an inverse ghost to already existing ghosting on the monitor, which basically means that it's like a shadow that moves across. Screen size, auto, of course. OSD picture settings, you're going to set to custom. In custom, you're going to set the brightness to your eye comfort, of course. You're going to set the contrast to 75. This is standard. This is what most people are happy with. You can set the sharpness to 48, and the RGB color range, you're going to set to 49, 49, and 48. And don't set this to the Arting setup. Arting is basically another website that recommended 52, 49, 48. And why is because that it basically blacks actually start to become a little red, so that's why this person has recommended not to do that. Now you're going to set the gamma mode to 1, you're going to set the black level to normal, eye saver mode to off, and on screen display OSD settings you're going to set to language on your own, display according to your preference, and lastly you will set dynamic brightness to off. These are, in my opinion, the best sort of settings for G5. The G5 Odyssey monitor. You should try them out for yourself. You should read this entirely as well. There's a lot of more detail that I haven't talked about because of the span of this video isn't that long. But yeah, that's about it, everybody. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you understood how to set up your monitor, and if you did, please leave us a comment down below. Tell me how it looks now. Thank you for watching.